I'm in an Audi RS4. Next to me is a BMW M850i, and we're going to have a drag race. You see, that car over there is my current long-term test vehicle. This was my former long-term test vehicle. Well, actually not this particular car, but an RS4. And I want to see how they measure up in terms of acceleration, because it seems really close when I'm driving them. This has a 2.9 litre twin-turbo V6 with 450 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. That BMW has a 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8 with 530 horsepower and 750 newton meters of torque. They're both torque converter automatics. This has an 8-speed, that has an 8-speed. They've both got all-wheel drive, and they've both got a sort of launch control. However, that BMW is about 200 kilos heavier than this Audi. So what do you think is going to happen? I'm not sure. Click on the pop-out banner just up there to vote. Do you think this Audi is going to win the drag race or the BMW? Now, before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, why not follow me on Instagram? It's at Matt Watson Cars for some behind the scenes stuff and notifications of when we're going to be doing certain videos as well. Right then, after all that, let's do the race. Neck off the line. This is close. This RS4 is quick. Can that BMW catch up? I've got the lead at the moment. Now it's coming past. Come on, RS4, come on. Man, that was close. So close. I think I was ahead at the start just by a fraction. And then that won the day. So then, what exactly happened? Well, both cars got a great start off the line, and it was a close battle. The BMW M850i completed the quarter mile first, taking 11.9 seconds. Meanwhile, the Audi RS4 took 12 seconds. Right then, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in automatic mode. We'll see how fast these cars respond. 3, 2, 1, go! God, that gearbox just kicked down way faster than this one. And it's off. Added power, added torque. Faster responding gearbox. And we're done, running out of space. I hope you can brake in time. We get a bit of a moment there. There we go, 2-0 to the BMW. Final challenge then, brake test from 70 miles an hour when we hit the cone, full emergency stop. So I have an advantage. My car weighs 1,750 kilos. That is over 1,900 kilos. So I should win this one. Come on Audi. Here's the cone. No, come on, brake harder, brake harder. I got it. Did I get it? I think I got it. I'm not sure. I think I might have got it. I'm just going to have to get out and check because this is so close. Oh my, I have no idea. I have literally no idea about this. Okay, so I can't call this one. I need you guys to, so click on the pop-out banner up there to vote which one won, the Audi or the BMW. Now, either way, the BMW will have won overall because it's won 2 of the challenges already. But was it a clean sweep? It's up to you guys to decide. I'm looking forward to finding out the results.